Okay, I lied. I was gonna go to bed, but this is like 10 slides. I'm gonna get this one under 10 minutes too, otherwise I'll weep myself to sleep. Sound good? Good. Oh, if I'm presenting my whole screen, you're seeing the dates on all of these. Oh, that should be fun if you're watching it 10 years from now. That's what I like to envision, some future people enjoying me when I was all like youthful. All right, let's do this. Angles on a point. It's like angles on a line except double. What? That's going to make sense, trust me. I can understand the Planet property that the sum of an angle measures at a point is 360 degrees. So if you have a little point and you add up all of the angles, let's see if I can follow my circle exactly. All of the angles around at that point is 360 degrees. Got it? Okay, got it. You're going to use reasoning or logic to show the sum of the angle measures at a point is 360. Okay. So all of these rays shoot out from the same point. Since they all meet at one central point, they are angles at a point. AOC, hey, that's a person. AOB, probably a person. BOC, maybe a person. Those are all angles at a point, and together those angles will add up to 360 degrees. You'll notice if you draw a circle around a point, you get a circle, and that's 360 degrees. You also notice if you play any sort of like skateboarding type video games, a 360 is a very basic move where you do a full rotation. Or if you're in basketball and do a 360 dunk, that's actually pretty rad, pretty impressive. So all depends on the activity. Okay. Draw OD such that AD is a line. Oh, okay. So what they're asking you to do there is just to continue this line down. And then once you do that, what they're trying to tell you is that you have now you have these two angles on a line. This is the using reasoning part. And then you have these two angles that are on a line. Since we know yesterday that angles on a line are 180 degrees, 180 plus 180 is 360. There's the proof. Dunzo. Okay. Use your protractor. Don't blow it. Okay. I'm gonna check my book again because I don't have I don't have a protractor handy. And I'm not on the right page of the book. Wow. You should be done by now anyway. If you're not, you better pause me because I'm about to catch up. Oh wait, I am on the right page of the book. I'm just not in the right frame of mind. Okay, here we go. You should be within a degree or two of this. 65, 85, 140, and 70. 65, 5, 85, 140, 70. Yes, they have 360. Are they angled at a point? Yes. Oh, my penmanship's bad. Don't judge. I've seen some of you people right. All right. Name the marked angles at point O. State the sum of the measure of angles. Well, you got PO, measure of POR, ROQ, and POQ. They're angles at a point, so they add up to what? Oh my gosh, you totally nailed it. Okay. Oh, I like these when they're just single letters. W, X, Y, Z. Angles at a point, they all add up to what? 360. Beautiful. Man, we're good at this. I'm going to come in under 10 minutes, too. I just know it. Bar models, fill in the blanks. You guys know this. How do you find the measure of angle A? You're going to subtract that. Oh, ha. You're going to subtract that and that from that. See if you can get the answer before I actually look it up. Mind you, I do have to turn the page. All right. You'll write it as the measure of angle A equals 152 and 97 is 249. 349 is 111 degrees. The madness of my mind. All right. Do, 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 do. Oh, all right. Clock's a ticking. Will I do it? Will I do it? Will I do it? All right, find the measure of t. Mr. McCarthy, there's only one angle measurement. What am I going to do? I'm just in a full panic. Don't panic. You know the measure of that angle. Right there. In the spirit of the PBS Kids that is on in my house all the time, you can talk back to me as if I'm Mr. Rogers or the narrator on some show where the kids all talk back. I don't know. Anyway, what's that missing angle? Oh, 90 degrees, you say. Excellent. So the measure of angle T is 60 minus 90 minus 133. And again, since you're subtracting both of those, you could also do that. 90 plus 133 is going to be 223, which leaves us 137. Hey, that's smart. All right. Boom. Pause me. I'm going to start plugging in answers in 5 seconds, because now you know how to do this. All right, go. Oh, you should have paused me, because I'm going to start putting things in there. So measure of angle X, 86 degrees. Measure of angle Y equals 96 degrees. Measure of angle Z equals 159 degrees. Measure of angle W equals 90, 145. Wait. I'm going to do it differently. I'm going to do 180 plus 45 is going to be 225. I didn't do any subtraction. See if you can figure out the logic bomb I just dropped on you there. All right. That is a total logic bomb. Pause it. Think about it. Rewind. I did something cool. Trust me. Let's see. Choose the sets of angles that can be form angles at a point. Yes. No. Yes. And you can do the rest on your own. It looks like a lot of individual work. I have quite the laissez-faire attitude towards these hands-on activities, and now you're wondering what laissez-faire means. So I'd say look it up, but there's no way you'll spell it correctly without getting help from someone who knows the word, so good luck. Oh my gosh, I have a quite laissez-faire attitude about you guys figuring that word out, too. That's fun for me. All right. We'll get a little punchy. Fill these out. I'm going to start punching in answers in 5 seconds. Pause me, especially if you're sick of listening to me. Okay, seriously, you guys identify the angles at a point. Angle I, angle J, angle K, angle H, angle R, angle Q, angle T, angle S. That's literally what they want you to do there. What's the sum of the measures of angles at a point? 180. And what they're asking here is, do they add up to 360? Yes. So they form angles at a point. Oh no. Okay. In order to get in under the 10-minute mark, I'm going to pause my... Oh, no, I'm not going to pause myself. You guys get 5 seconds. Psst, that's a 90-degree angle. Okay, just checking. Ready? Set. Okay, boom. Measure of angle E equals... Oh, McCarthy's watching the clock. 51 degrees. Measure of angle N equals 78 degrees. You were supposed to have paused me. Measure of angle G equals 248. That's called a reflex angle, if you don't recall. OAB is a line. Oh, this is going back to the last lesson. Measure of angle K equals 30. Nope. 93. Measure of Angle H. Oh, 38. I missed it by 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Is that right? 38. And those should all be degrees, by the way. And I'm like trying to use my stylus on my analog book. What a silly person I am. All right. Your homework is going to be after the problem of the lesson, which you can pause me and do on your own. But it's going to consist of 135 to 138. Probably. All right. Good luck. See ya.